Okay, today let's enter into the workshop to see our workshop and see our machines. Okay, first of all, this workshop is semi-finished machine workshop. As you can see, there are many frame, the oven frame and the cooling frame, and production. Let's start from this room. This room is our sample rooms. The wall, as you can see, the walls product, all of this product can produced by our machine, like the pasta production line can produce the macaroni, the spaghetti. It is famous in all over the world. And this part is the fried snake and the puffed snake. And this one is the artificial rice, breadcrumbs, puffed snake, the dog food, cat food, and the fish food. And the biscuit, sandwich biscuit, soft biscuit, and hard biscuit. The nutritional bar, Cereals bar. And this is our spare parts. This is the brand we cooperated with. Okay, let's go.